Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today for a 5-minute card, and today I'm going Christmas-fied with the all bundled up cling stamp set. Love this one, it is so cute and adorable. Can't wait to get started. So I have a piece of 10.5 centimeters by 14.85 centimeter cardstock, so it'll be the same size as the card base. I'm gonna grab my Rudolph here because just look how cute he is with his little hat on. And I will own up, so the first time I saw this stamp set, I looked at it and thought, he's got wings, but of course he hasn't because he's a moose, so you know, it's his antlers. But I was like, he's got wings. Very daft of me. Right, I'm going to ink this up, and I'm going to add him onto my card. I'm going to put him about there. Now this is a style I haven't done for a few years and I used to love, and I got into a stage of doing this on nearly every card, so it's back. I'm going to take the snowflakes. Now it's up to you with these snowflakes. It's feeling a lot like Christmas is also what I'm going to take. So it's really up to you with these snowflakes. What you can do, if you know, have got a strong stomach and are prepared to do it, is you can actually cut these up to give you 3 separate stamps. Look, you can just snip across there, snip across there. And I've seen quite a few people have done that. So it's feeling a lot like Christmas is going to go towards the top of my card because I'm going to create a frame. You're going to need a black Stampin' Write marker or journaling pen or something for this, okay? So you want to pop that towards the centre, like that. It's feeling a lot like Christmas. And then I'm going to take the snowflakes and I'm just going to put them down the side of the card like that. Okay, that's it. You then want to have either your journaling pen, your Stampin' Write marker, whatever you want. It's really up to you whether you want to use a ruler or not, you know, really up to you. Now I do, but I don't. Let me explain what I mean. I'm going to line my ruler up on my cardstock, on my grid paper, so that I know it's roughly straight. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Stampin' Write marker and I'm going above the ruler. I do it on this side so you can see. I'm going above it, but I'm not going below it. And I'm just doing myself a wiggly line. So I know my wiggly line's straight, but it's wiggly and it's not ruler drawn. Okay, you want to do exactly the same down this side of your Whisper White. But what you would ideally do is come in just a little bit so you catch a little bit of your moose, reindeer, you know, whatever this chappy is. Okay, and again you just want to be this side of your ruler, wiggly wiggly squiggly line, stop when you hit any obstruction and then keep going. Okay, and I'm going to go down not much past him, but you can see I've done a crisscross, so I'm going to do that again down the bottom here. Okay, so I'm probably going to go to there, wherever is going to give me this nice crisscross, and I'm going to crisscross across there. Again, I'm missing my image. Okay, and I'm just going to go to sort of there. And then I'm going to do this side as well. Every time there is an image, stop, go around it. Okay, and what you can do, like here, I'm not happy there, that needs to be longer. I've just done it like that. So I've got a really nice frame around my moose. Now it's really up to you. You can colour him in. You don't have to colour him in, up to you. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a couple of the Stampin' Skin Tone Blends because I think I'm over 5 minutes now. So I'm just going to grab a few of these rather than being really, really sort of like, you know, pedantic on it. And I'm just going to colour in his antlers just there. I'm going really sort of faint with it. I'm not going dark because I don't want it to be, you know, really obvious what we've done. Okay. And then I'm just going to grab the crumb cake just to sort of blend that in. And there is nothing to say when you are using your Stampin' blends that you have to colour the whole image. Sometimes it's just nice to have a little bit of blending on one part of it rather than all of it. And I've gone for his antlers or his wings, as I've told you it was wings. Like that, and I am just going to actually just do his little hoofs. Is that a plural? It doesn't sound like it should be a plural. Is it hoof or hoofs? So I might just do a little bit of him around his bottom area just to give it a bit of colour. Sort of like that, around his face. And a little bit on his ears, so it's not major, it's not much. And that's going to be it. I'm not even going to colour his tie, his scarf or hat in or anything else like that. I'm just going to leave it really sort of blank like that and add it straight onto the card base. It's been ages since I did these frames, and I did get into a hang of doing it on every video. And then I thought to myself, oh, you're going to have to stop doing that. So I did. And then I haven't used it for ages, but I do really like it. And if you're looking at a card that you've done quickly and is looking a bit sort of blank and you're like, well, what can I do? Draw yourself a little handmade frame around it. Honestly, it adds loads and it takes seconds. And it doesn't have to be neat at all. You can go as messy as you like with it. You can go real squiggly. If you've got shaky hands, it's absolutely fine, just so long as all your lines look similar. So just to finish this off, I've got some of the pearlized enamel effects, and I'm just going to pop a couple of these around where our snowflakes are, like that. But I might just do one more there. There we go. Oh no, one more there. Helen, stop. Tell me to stop. There we go. It's feeling a lot like Christmas. So that's using the all bundled up stamp set. I do really like it. I have got some of the cards using the other characters on my site, so do look through and find those. Everything I've used today is available from slimandstylish.stampingup.net. If you have come across this video for the first time, do please subscribe. I would love to have you stick around. And if you've enjoyed it, do give me a thumbs up. See you all again soon. Bye. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. All items that I have used on this video are available to purchase from my store, www.slimandstylish.stampingup.net. Alternatively, if you would like a copy of our catalogues, please send me an email to slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment below and I'll get in touch with you. I upload regular content to this channel, so if you do enjoy watching my tutorials, please make sure that you have subscribed and rang the bell to get notifications when new videos go live. Thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.